I have been in technology sales for 20 years and have known about AI for the last couple of years. I am also a watercolor artist, and on this channel I talk about watercolors and the business side of art. I made my last YouTube video with 3 AI tools: ChatGPT for writing the script of my video, Writer spelled RYTR for titles, and Steve AI for animation. These are simple AI tools which will make your life very easy. Have you wondered if everyone starts using the tool, we'll come up with the same content? Hence, it's necessary not to copy paste the content completely. You need to add your own touch, your own knowledge of the subject to make the content unique, to make it your own. Now that I'm familiar with these 3 tools, I thought of making a video to share my knowledge with you all. It'll be great if you can like and subscribe this video so that this video can reach a wider audience.
Let's start from ChatGPT. I prefer going to OpenAI's website and then navigating to ChatGPT by clicking on Try. Once you do that, it will ask you to sign up or log in. Once you log in, this screen will appear. If you can't get in ChatGPT, you might have to clear your cache and remove all extensions from Chrome. This is quite a simple tool. You write whatever you want to ask in this field. I'm asking about the future of YouTube. Okay, and then it takes a few seconds to respond. It's important to have the basic outline or structure in mind to use this tool effectively. My last YouTube video is about 5 tips on completing a 30-day art challenge. I also prepared my lead magnet around this topic. I wanted my lead magnet to cover the following: what is a 30-day art challenge, challenges in completing a 30-day art challenge, benefits of doing art challenges, 5 tips, and then why documenting your art journey is important. So that was the structure I had in mind, and these were the exact questions I asked ChatGPT. Let's move on to a second AI tool, which is called Writer, spelled RYTR. Go to writer.me and click on Start Writing. It will ask you to log in or sign up. Once you sign up, this screen will appear. I'm already logged in. I used Writer to come up with YouTube titles. With the help of Writer, you can create YouTube titles, blog posts, landing pages, Facebook ads, etc. All the use cases are right here. I've used Writer only for YouTube titles as of now, but I'll definitely use it for Facebook ads and landing pages. There's also a tone section on top. I usually go with a convincing tone. I then select the language. I'm just going ahead with US English. I've already selected the video idea option to come up with YouTube title. And I'm writing my keyword, which is, I'm thinking to make a video on minimal YouTube setup for art, and that's what I enter. And there you go, you have 3 titles to choose from. It's that simple. My suggestion is to create an account and explore the tool yourself. Both ChatGPT and Writer are easy to use tools. You just need to create an account and get on with it. The third AI tool for making engaging videos is Steve.ai. I've always been fascinated with animated videos and wondered how people animate their videos. I started researching on animated AI tools and found Steve AI.
If you go to my last video, there are 2 separate animated videos. One is a whiteboard look, which is created with a tool called Animaker. Animaker is not an AI tool. The second part of animation is done with Steve AI. I couldn't find a whiteboard look on Steve AI.
Okay, now let's go to Steve.ai and log in. This is also an intuitive tool. You need to log in by creating an account. Once you're logged in, the screen will appear. Click on Create and choose between live and animation. Let's choose animation and select this template. And let's go ahead with their inbuilt script option. And now we'll click on Next to select the design layout. Let's select the one I used for my last video. And that's it, you have your video. I had my own script which was created from ChatGPT. I would suggest playing around with these tools to see what other options you might have.
Hope this was helpful. If yes, please do give a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you soon.